War Eagle. My name's Rosie Sebastian, president of Emerge at Auburn. Emerge is a student-led leadership development program which aims to give all students the tools they need to lead on campus, in their communities, and in their future career fields. Emerge provides many ways for students to grow in their leadership journey, including workshops, retreats, and our phase program teams. During the 2021 to 2022 school year, we continued to work on our mission of providing more opportunities for Auburn students to engage in leadership. Emerge successfully launched Discover, a new 3-day retreat dedicated to helping participants learn the basic skills of leadership and discover their path to making a difference during their time on the plains. We also look forward to bringing back the 4-day off-campus Leadership Institute this May to give students the chance to delve deeper into leadership and develop a personal vision for change alongside other campus leaders. Explore, Spark, and Transform continue to serve students with ongoing learning, where the top 3 skills gained by Explore participants were understanding values-based leadership, personal strengths, and the significance of leading with emotional intelligence. Our Leadership Lunch and Learn series welcomes several inspirational speakers, including civil rights icon Bernard Lafayette Jr. and owner of Martha's Place in Montgomery, Martha Hawkins. Other topics included how to fundraise for organizations, understanding personal leadership styles, and more. In addition to working with the Black Student Union and University Program Council to bring Dr. Yusuf Salam, a member of the Exonerated Five, to speak to and inspire students, Emerge's other speaker events included Alex Sheen, founder of Because I Said I Would, and Rob Lawless, founder of Rob's 10K Friends. In all, a total of 748 unique students participated in Emerge at Auburn's programs last year. Those are 748 Auburn students well on their way to being the change they want to see in the world. A program like Emerge is so important because every Auburn student should feel confident in their leadership abilities. Emerge helps to cultivate these abilities so that when students leave the campus and move on to their future careers, they're able to be confident in their ability to lead outside of Auburn's campus.